12 colorful species of kingfishers are found in India. Black-backed dwarf kingfisher is also known as the Oriental dwarf kingfisher or three-toed kingfisher. They are brilliantly colored, tiny forest kingfisher with a coral red dagger bill found in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, northeast India and Konkan region of southwest India. Black-capped kingfisher is a tree kingfisher with a jet black head, white collar and blood red bill found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and along the east and west coasts of India. Blue-eared kingfisher is a dark blue kingfisher with no rufous on the ear patch. Males have black bill while females have almost red bill. Blitz kingfisher looks similar to common kingfisher but is much darker with no orange behind the ear. They are found in the northeast of India. Brown-winged kingfisher is a chunky, large orangish kingfisher with an oversized head and a scarlet dagger of a bill found in the coastal areas of Odisha and West Bengal. They have a bright blue-green rum patch, most obvious in flight. Collared kingfisher is a tree kingfisher, also known as the white-collared kingfisher or mangrove kingfisher, found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and coastal India. Common kingfisher have beautiful blue and orange plumage, fairly common but small, often rather shy. Crested kingfisher has dense, fine barring giving them a silvery appearance along with a shaggy crest which distinguishes them from the pied kingfisher. Females are similar but lack the rufous wash on their breast. They are found in the Himalayas, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and northeast of India. Pied kingfisher is a boldly marked black and white water kingfisher with short bushy crest and glossy all dark bill, often found hovering over water bodies. Ruddy kingfisher is a dark rusty orange tree kingfisher with thick lipstick red bill. Bright azure blaze on rump is most evident on flying birds. Stalk-billed kingfisher is a massive tree kingfisher with a large scarlet bill. Head is olive brown with dark green-blue upper parts and buff underparts. White-throated kingfisher is large-headed, predominantly brown with electric blue back and wings, heavy orange bill, and snow-white patch from the throat through the breast.